Hello there. Today let's talk about GitHub Copilot, and I will show you what GitHub Copilot is. We will go through this contents of the presentation outlines. It will include summaries, advantages, disadvantages, cheating or not. It is legal, conclusion, and reference. The summary of GitHub Copilot. GitHub is an AI-powered code completing tools that offers ideas for finishing code using machine learning models. GitHub Copilot is powered by OpenAI Context, an artificial intelligence model created by OpenAI, which is an artificial intelligence research lab. On June 29, 2022, GitHub Copilot was released to the public. It is only cost for $10 per month or $100 per year. GitHub's AI-powered Copilot will help you write your code. Advantages. There are four advantages, which include the increased productivity, improved code quality, reduced errors, and language support. For increased productivity, it helps developers save time and effort by quickly generating code snippets and functions, free them up for focus on more complex and creative aspect of their work. For improved code quantities, it improves code quality by suggesting code that follows best practice and is more likely to be correct, resulting in higher quality and more maintainable code. For reduced errors, it reduces the likelihood of errors and bugs by providing suggestions based on existing code, which helps ensure code accuracy and correctness. For language support, it can be used with a wide range of programming languages and frameworks, include Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Ruby, and Go, and is available as extension for Visual Studio Code and is as a GitHub app. Disadvantages. There are also four disadvantages, which include lack of control over instructions, limited context, dependency on the external server, and the potential intellectual property concerns. For lack of control, as an AI-powered tool, it can sometimes cause frictions and additional work for developers by providing suggestions that don't match their intentions or coding style. For limited context, the suggestions may not be always appropriate for the overall project due to its limited access to the full context of the project, despite its ability to understand the context of the code being written. For dependency on external server, the fractionality depends on internet connections and access to a remote server, making it potentially unsuitable for using in environments with limited internet access or security concerns. For intellectual property concerns, the use of large repositories of code raises concerns about ownerships and use of the generate code, requiring developers to be cautious about its use and ensure that they are having appropriate permissions. It is cheating using GitHub Copilot. Using GitHub Copilot is not cheating. It helps developers to save times and effort by generating code, but is necessary for developers to know its limitations. GitHub Copilot can be a valuable addition to a developer's toolkit. Is it legal to use GitHub Copilot? Before using Copilot, developers should take those considerations into consideration and speak with the legal and ethical authorities. The legality and the ethic of using Copilot will depend on the unique use case and the jurisdiction. The emergence of AI, such as GitHub Copilot, can efficiently improve programmers' efficiency, reduce errors, and save time. While it may aid students in completing their studies, it could potentially hinder their development of programming skills. However, for those already employed, the tool can be a valuable time saver, particularly for those with the basic programming foundations. From the numbers speaks for themselves. Researchers has found GitHub Copilot help developers code faster, focus on solving bigger problems, stay in the flow longer, and feel more fulfilled with their work. 74% focus on more satisfying work. 88% feel more productive. 96% are faster with repetitive tasks. This is the reference of the presentations, and this will be our presentation for today. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.